Hello lovely people. Today let's look at how to sketch straight line graphs, or what we call linear graphs, the fastest approach to doing that. Here we are given an equation or a function, and we are asked to sketch the graph of 2x minus 2. The fastest approach to sketching a linear function is just to get the x and y intercept. We call it the two coordinate method. That's the fastest approach, and you will get it. How do we go about this? The first thing we need is our x-intercept. And for our x-intercept, all you need to do is go to the given equation and make y 0. So here, remember, our f of x, g of x, or whatever it's called, is the same thing as our y. Now we have y equals to 2x minus 2 as the function. If we make this 0 and collect like terms, it becomes 0 plus 2 equals to 2x, and x will be equals to y. One thing you must remember is that what we represent is our coordinate, not the value of x. So our x-intercept in this case will be 1 and 0. The next we go to y-intercept. For y-intercept, make x 0 in the same given equation. 2 times 0 minus 2. So we have y equals to minus 2. Remember, as a coordinate, also remember coordinates, we write with x before y. So we will have 0 and negative 2 as our y-intercept. So this is our y-intercept. Now with these two coordinates, we can easily sketch our graphs. Please note that there is a faster way of getting your y-intercept. The general form of every linear function is y equals to mx plus c or ax plus q, where q or our c represents the y-intercept. So once it is in this format, you can easily pick out your minus 2 or whatever that is there as your y value of the y-intercept. Of course, your x will always be 0. Let's sketch this graph. We have the Cartesian. Please note that for your Cartesian, all you need to make sure of is that you have equal intervals. Equal intervals, this is your y-intercept, means if I'm choosing 2 here, it has to be the same distance, and it has to be in 2s, going up and coming down. For the x-intercept, the same thing, you choose any scale of your choice, but make sure you have equal intervals. So I can go 1 and 2. I can also go negative 1 and negative 2. And then I can sketch my graph. Here I have two coordinates to sketch my graph with. The first coordinate says when x is 1, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 0. The second coordinate says when x is 0. That is here, y is negative 2. We pick up this. All you need to do is just to use a straight line ruler and join the 2 points, and you will have your linear function. And this is our linear function. Be very careful when sketching though. Make sure the line you are drawing goes through directly on the intercept and not by the side. And this is the fastest way to sketching any linear graph. Remember, you can comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any further questions, do not forget to ask. Thank you.